and thereby read data from your database and publish it on MQTT topics. So this would be one possibility that I can see here to achieve what you were asking for. We do offer a set of pre-built enterprise extensions which do the other way around, so which can be used for persisting data that is published to MQTT in for example Postgres or MySQL database. But this is just a direction from MQTT towards your database. And if you want to have it the other way around, then most probably you would need to either write your own service, which is reading data from your database and publishing it to MQTT, or integrate it tightly to the broker by using the -q extension SDK.